Today we're touring this beautiful luxury renovation here in the JJ Pearce neighborhood of Richardson, Texas, conveniently located just 15 miles north of downtown Dallas, Texas. It's walking distance to both the highly rated Mohawk Elementary School as well as JJ Pearce High School. So let's check it out. Welcome everyone, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Michael. I own a local real estate brokerage here in the Dallas area, and if you're looking to buy or sell in the Dallas area, I'd love to connect. I've helped every one of these yellow dots find their little piece of Texas, and I'd love to help you too. Call, text, or shoot me an email. All that is in the description below. Okay, this beautiful luxury renovation is located just 15 miles north of downtown Dallas, Texas, in one of my favorite neighborhoods in Richardson called the JJ Pearce neighborhood. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an office, a swimming pool. It's a spacious 2,642 square feet, and once again can be yours today for just $1.095 million. This is obviously not your typical renovation. It's abundantly clear that an actual designer was involved here. It's got lots of cool little details all throughout, like this woodwork here on the side of the island. The floors here are actual wood throughout the entire home compared to the engineered hardwoods you would typically see in renovations. And it has tastefully chosen light fixtures and wallpapers, and just wait until you see the design choices in the mud and laundry room. This home was taken all the way down to the studs and includes a new HVAC system, and they've already replaced the cast iron plumbing lines beneath the house, which is a huge plus for a home of this age. That is easily a $20,000 to $40,000 value, but more importantly, it's a headache most homes in this neighborhood still have that you will not have to worry about in the future. Well, this home speaks for itself, so I'm going to be quiet now and let you enjoy it, and then I'll be back in a few minutes to take you on a tour of this beautiful neighborhood. If you're interested in this one, call me today. Okay, now let's check out the neighborhood. Most of these homes were built in the late 70s or early 80s as single-story 3 and 4 bedroom homes, which means at this point, the smaller homes have either been renovated and will sell starting around $700K, or if they're still in original condition, they'll likely be torn down to build a home like this one. A few reasons why this neighborhood has become so popular is, one, you've got the highly rated Mohawk Elementary School walking distance to your house. You'll see in the mornings the streets are lined with families headed to drop their kids off. Number two, the lot sizes. Most lots in this neighborhood are around 0.23 acres, which makes them ideal to be able to build a larger home and still have a decent sized backyard. While 0.23 acres may not sound that big, there are actually a lot of new construction homes in the newer developments like Frisco and Prosper, where the homes are larger than 3,500 square feet on just 0.16 acres. And then number three, you cannot beat this location. Being just 15 miles from downtown Dallas with easy access to several major highways means you can get to most things in Dallas in just 15 to 20 minutes. You're walking distance to both Mohawk Elementary and the ever-expanding JJ Pearce High School, Mimosa Park, where you've got playgrounds and tennis courts, and within just 5 minutes you've got all the shops, restaurants, recreation, and amenities you need like Target, Sprouts Grocery, Starbucks, Cocina, as well as the University of Texas at Dallas, which is a major university if you have any high schoolers that will be going off to college soon. All within just 5 minutes. Okay, that's it for this video. If you'd like to schedule a tour for this home or want a list of all available homes in this neighborhood, just call, text, or shoot me an email. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.